Get ready for the secret to creating videos that people actually want to watch. Here on the YouTube platform, we all want to create videos that help people and help grow our YouTube channels at the same time. So how do we do this? How do we create video content that's value driven and brings in the right kind of view, the right kind of audience that will help to grow our YouTube channel at the same time? Let's talk about that in this video. What do we do to make our videos really stand out? But first, quick question. What makes some of the videos on YouTube get thousands and thousands of views, while others get barely noticed? In this video, I want to share some tips on how you can create videos that get noticed and get those thousands of views. So keep watching. Welcome to K-Phil, my photography and video channel. Here I'm sharing my journey on discovering and mastering the art of photography. The goal is to support and inspire fellow photographers and content creators alike. It's not what it was, but what it is right now. So let's get it. Now, there is one fact. Some of the things even these YouTube creators don't want to talk about when they create videos about growing a YouTube channel. And that fact is it's really hard to get noticed on YouTube these days. So you really need to work hard. You need to do your part, basically. That's what I'm saying. There's more content creators now than ever before. And there's a whole lot of content that gets uploaded and published on YouTube than ever before. And so it really is hard to create a video and you get noticed. So then what is the difference between a video that goes viral and a video that gets buried in the crowd? The difference is value driven. So if you create a video that has a lot of value in it, it's really hard for that video to be buried, because what happens is people will spend a lot of time on that video. And the YouTube algorithm notices this. It doesn't matter if it's educational video or entertainment video or it's inspirational video. People will spend a lot of time on that video. And YouTube will look at this video and be like, okay, this video is very good. That is why people are spending so time on this video. And then what does YouTube do? They take this video and they serve it to more new viewers. And that's what you want happening to your video. And that's how a lot of the videos become viral. So the point here, learn to create videos that have a lot of value in them. It doesn't matter if it's entertainment or educational. You need to learn the skill of how to pack your videos with a lot of value. Because also people come to YouTube and they are searching for the type of video they want to see. And sometimes people want a solution to a specific problem. Now, depending on the niche you are in, if you are creating solution-based video, a video that is helping someone to solve a specific problem, something I've learned, or even the videos that I watch when I go on YouTube if I'm trying to solve a problem, I like to watch videos that are simple, that I can easily understand, that are straight to the point, and that are in length very short. So focus your videos in that category. Create short, simple, simply understand the point that you're trying to teach in this video and make this video as short as possible. Nowadays, people have a very short attention span, or they are very busy and they don't really have a lot of time. And so they are not looking to come to YouTube, watch a whole hour video that is supposed to be 10 or 15 minutes. So keep that in mind when it comes to creating videos that have value videos that will attract new subscribers. Yes, trust me. When people find value in that video that you're creating that is packed and is full of value, people will then trust you, thereby trusting your channel. What happens? They might go into your page and see like what other valuable content do you have on your page that we can consume. This is then what makes people decide to subscribe to your channel. Yes, like I already alluded to it. So you want to really learn this. You want to create videos that get people coming back for more. How do you do that? How do you get people to want to come back to your channel for more? I will share 3 points in regards to this. The first one is understanding your audience. Now, if you've published a few videos already and you've accumulated a few views, you can go into your YouTube analytics and see the age group of the people that come to your channel to watch these videos. And you will also see their gender. Are they males? Are they females? Are they mostly female? Or are they mostly men? With this information, you can then decide on how you tailor-make your videos to speaking directly to that type of audience. How do you make it engaging for that type of audience? See, YouTube is giving you information on how to speak to your specific audience. So your tone, your language, your gestures, and everything then affects how you address your audience, because YouTube has now told you what type of audience you have. That's number one. Number two is try to create solution-based videos, depending on the niche you're in, of course. So people that come to YouTube and want a solution want nothing but just that. And if they come to YouTube to be entertained, they want just that and nothing else. So then create videos that get to the point by giving your audience what they want, what they came to your video for. Like it says in the title, like it displays on the thumbnail. Get good at going straight to the point, and people will love you for that. The third point is being consistent. People love someone that is consistent because they're expecting you to upload a video on a Monday or Thursday or even a Saturday. And then they get to see a video from you on those days. This screams seriousness. This screams reliability. And people love people that are serious, people they can relate to, people that posting videos regularly shows your viewers that you are a serious YouTube content creator. And then people will trust you and they will build this trust with you and expect videos from you weekly or whenever it is that you post. Because if you post on a Monday or Thursday or Saturday or all those 3 days, and in those days they come to YouTube and they see your new uploads, they see your new videos, in their mind it tells them, this is someone very serious and this is someone we can get behind and support. So you want to build that trust relationship with your audience. Yes, not forgetting that you need to still bring the value in each and every video you upload. Now, the fourth point is establishing authority. Now, within your niche, if you're creating videos that have a lot of value, like we said, every time people watch your new video, your new upload, they find something new, they find value, they learn something new. You are positioning yourself to being an expert in this niche or in this field. And there's something that people say about being an expert. It's being magnetic. People will get attached to you. People will get attached to your point. When it comes to your niche, at the back of the head, it will always be like, yeah, but what does he have to say about this? You know, does Eames agree with this opinion? So they will always come back to your content, or to you make a reference on what they have learned. So remember to always create videos that are packed with value. Now, this all sounds very easy, but it works. If you create videos that provide value, be it entertainment, educational videos, or inspirational videos, your audience will love you. They will stick to you. They will keep watching your videos. They will subscribe to your channel. Better yet, they might share your video content with other people. They might bring other people to your channel, helping you gain new viewers. So what is the takeaway in this video? Focus on your audience. It's not really about you, but your audience. Focus on your audience. Create videos they want to watch, provide value, and help them solve their problems. I repeat, focus on your audience by producing or creating videos they want to watch, videos that solve their problems. Yeah, and another point, by being consistent. By doing these, you will build authority and attract viewers that love you, viewers that always want to consume your content. Now, if you loved watching this video, you enjoyed it, you found some value in it, please tap on that like button and hit the subscribe button. Tell me to keep providing value and to keep creating videos. If you enjoyed watching this type of video, I believe you'll find value in watching this one up here. It was nice hanging out with you. I see you guys in my next video.